Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom code in Webflow. This is incredibly useful when you want to integrate third-party tools, add custom scripts, or implement functionality that isn't available through Webflow's standard elements. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can manage all your projects and sites. Now, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Plus New Site. Click on it to begin creating a new project. This will open up a menu with various template options and starting points for your website. From the options presented, select Blank Site. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your site's name. Type in whatever name you'd like to use for this project, then click Create Site. Webflow will now set up your new site and take you to the designer interface where you can start building. Once you're in the designer, direct your attention to the left panel. This is where all your elements and components are located. At the top of this panel, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to access the Elements menu where you can add different building blocks to your page. In the search bar that appears, type code block. Now, it's worth noting that if you have an upgraded account, you can also use code embedded, which offers additional features. However, since I'm using the free trial, I'll be working with code block, which works perfectly fine for most custom code needs. After searching, you'll see the code block element appear in the results. Simply drag the code block element onto your canvas where you want it to appear. This creates a container that will hold your custom code and display it on your page. A field will now appear where you can input your code, paste your custom code into this field. This could be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other code snippet you're working with. Once you've pasted your code, click Save and Close. Your custom code is now embedded in your Webflow site and will function according to whatever script or markup you've added. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code to your Webflow site, opening up endless possibilities for customization and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.